Kids never stop asking, why is the sky blue? What's inside the black hole? Why do grown-ups lie? And then we become those grown-ups. We stop asking. We start assuming. But here's the thing. The smartest and the sharpest people that I know, they never stop being those 5-year-old kids. So, let's get curious again. There's this question that completely changed how I think. And it is, what would have to be true for me to be right? First time I heard it, my brain just froze because I never actually examined my own assumptions. See, most people collect answers like trophies, but smart people collect better questions like tools in their toolkit. Good questions don't just find truth, they build it. Think of questions like archaeology. The deeper you dig, the more interesting it gets. Level 1 are surface sweepers. These questions are used to gather quick intel. These are essential, but you don't have to stop here. Some examples are, who profits if this is true? What aren't they showing me? When did this narrative fail before? Level 2 are assumption breakers. This is where most people tap out, but not you. You have to dig a little deeper with the following questions. What if I'm completely backwards on this? What would my biggest critic say? What's the angle nobody is covering? Level 3 are reality hackers. These questions don't just change your mind, they completely rewire it. Some of the examples are, how am I lying to myself? What if my biggest strength is actually my weakness? And what would I believe if I had zero ego involved in this? Master level 3 and you'll solve problems other people don't even see. 2500 years ago, one guy in Athens figured this out. Socrates didn't lecture, he just asked questions. Made people so uncomfortable, they literally killed him for it. Here's his method of questioning. Step 1. Attack the obvious. Someone says you need to work harder to succeed. To which you respond, what if working smarter beats working harder? Now their whole worldview is on trial. Step 2. Demand evidence. If someone is making a claim that you don't agree with, simply ask, how do we actually know this is true? Then follow up with the killer question. What would change your mind? If they can't answer the second question, you're not really having a conversation. Step 3. Stay curious, not combative. Replace "that's wrong" with "walk me through your thinking." One phrase can make a difference, and it can completely change the outcome of your conversation. Your brain isn't designed for truth. It's designed for survival. It's constantly filtering out reality to match what you already believe in. Example, you think Gen Z are lazy. Your brain will show you every Gen Z sleeping in and ignore every Gen Z who's working 2 jobs. Fight back your brain with the following questions. What's the most uncomfortable possibility here? What if the opposite were to be true? How might I be the problem in this situation? These questions hurt. That's how you know that they're working. Alright, time for a live demo. Let's dissect a statement everyone seems to have an opinion about using our 3 levels of questions. Social media is destroying our kids' mental health. Level 1 questions could be, what specific platforms are you talking about? What's the baseline of mental health? What are the age groups of the kids? Level 2 questions could be, what if the problem isn't the platforms, but how we're using them? Could this be a correlation, but not causation? What roles do parents play? Level 3 questions might be, what if social media is just revealing problems that were already there in the society? How might our fear of technology be clouding our judgment? Notice, we didn't solve anything, but we just turned one lazy opinion into 8 research projects. Alright, here's a 24-hour challenge. In the next conversation that you have, don't offer solutions. Don't give advice. Just ask questions. The bonus effect of this might be that you might become the person everyone wants to have a chat with, because you're the rare human now who actually listens instead of just waiting for your turn to speak. In the next video, we will learn how to dissect an argument like someone on a professional debate team. In the comments below, drop the most mind changing question someone's ever asked you. Let's build a question library that makes us all sharper. So, stay curious, think better.